Good day, everyone. Good day, teacher. I am Florina Laderas, um, section OCA 133A021. For me, as a Quezon citizen, I am a member of organization in our community. I would like to share the city where I live, Quezon City, as the most population city in the Philippines, faces several pressing environmental challenges. I have to I have some sn- I had to share some snaps and issue how the city is expanding. One, the first deforestations and urban sprawl. While Quezon City still maintains green spaces, it has experienced loss of natural forest cover, particularly in its northern areas. In 2024 alone, the city lost 243 hectares of natural forest, contributing to carbon emission and biodiversity loss. Urban expansion and informal settlements have encroached on previously forest zone. Waste disposal. Quezon City generates over 1,600,000 cubic meters of solid waste annually, with biodegradable waste making up more than half of the total. Despite efforts like the Trash to Cashback program, which rewards residents of recycling, challenges remain in waste segregation, landfill capacity, and plastic pollution. Overpopulation in informal settlements. With high population growth rate, Quezon City has become the most magnet for migrants. This has led to the proliferation of informal settlements, often in high-risk areas like riverbanks and underbridges. These communities faces heightened vulnerability to disaster and strain the city's social service. Air population. Vehicular emissions are a major contributor to air pollution, especially along the city's extensive roadwork networks. While industrial pollution has decreased, mobile sources remain a persistent issue. Sustainability efforts. On the bright side, Quezon City is the leader in green governance.